Yeah, it looks like they're not gonna open it. See, there's another one over there. It used to be still open and it's just full of snow. And there's another one right there.
But it's not snow.
This is for the beginner area. You know, if I know about this thing, we should just go nearby a little bit into the last one that we just went before, the Camp Go, New Jersey.
Well, let's ski now.
Okay, go. Enjoy, Connor. Yeah. Have fun. Connor, he just learned it. He had the pre-lesson before. The first one we went to Mount Peter. First one he had a ski lesson. About 30 minutes, about an hour, something like that.